Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're tackling a question every Hoops fan is asking: how to watch NBA games live without cable. With the new media deal splitting games across ABC, ESPN, NBC, Peacock, Prime Video and more, it feels more complicated than ever. But you don't need an expensive cable package to catch all the action. Whether you're following your favourite team through the regular season, the playoffs or chasing that championship run, I've got practical ways to stream games live using the best apps and sites, many of them free or low cost. We'll cover antennas, official apps, trials, international hacks, and smart strategies to keep costs down while staying legal. Let's get into it so you can start watching more basketball right away. First up, the simplest free option for many fans, a digital antenna for over-the-air broadcasts. ABC often carries key national games, including big matchups and parts of the finals, completely free. NBC also broadcasts select games now that they're back with the NBA. Grab an affordable indoor antenna. Many are under $25 to $40 on Amazon or Walmart. Connect it to your TV, run a channel scan, and you'll pull in local ABC and NBC affiliates in HD. In major markets, this alone gets you a solid number of national games each week, especially as the season heats up toward the playoffs. Check coverage with tools like the FCC website or antennaweb.org by entering your zip code. Position the antenna high up or near a window for best results, and you could be watching LeBron, Curry, or the next big star without spending a dime on subscriptions. Pair this with a Fire Stick or Roku for easy access, and you're set for broadcast TV games. It's reliable, high quality, and truly free forever. Perfect for casual fans or as a base for your setup. Next, let's talk official NBA apps and platforms. Download the NBA app on your phone, tablet, smart TV, or streaming device. It's available everywhere. The free version gives you highlights, scores, news, and sometimes live preseason or special event streams. For full live games, NBA League Pass is the go-to. It lets you watch out-of-market games, with local blackouts for your home team and national broadcasts, and you can get it through the NBA site, app, or even Amazon Prime Video integration. Prices vary, but there are often monthly options or team-specific passes that are cheaper than full packages. League Pass includes multi-view for watching several games at once, replays, and more. Great for hardcore fans. For national games, you'll need the specific services: ESPN app or ESPN Unlimited for ABC ESPN games, Peacock for NBC and exclusive Peacock games, and Prime Video for Thursday nights and more. If you already have Amazon Prime, many Prime Video NBA streams are included at no extra cost. Peacock has a premium plan, around $11 to $12 a month, with tons of NBA content, and ESPN has its direct-to-consumer options. The good news? You don't always need everything at once. One of the smartest ways to watch without cable is using free trials from live TV streaming services. YouTube TV, Hulu Live TV, Fubo, and DirecTV Stream all carry major NBA channels like ESPN, ABC, NBC, and sometimes NBA TV. Plus, they often include regional sports networks, RSNs, for local team games, depending on your market. Many offer 5 to 14-day free trials. Sign up during a big week of games, cancel before billing, and rotate to another service next time. Fubo is particularly sports-friendly, with strong RSN support in many areas. Hulu Live TV bundles Disney Plus and ESPN Plus nicely. YouTube TV has unlimited DVR, so you can record games if you miss live. Timing these trials around playoffs or rivalry weeks can get you weeks of basketball for free. Stacking trials and using different emails is a popular cord cutter hack. Always check current promos because they change. Some even have discounted first months. This approach keeps costs near zero while giving you access to locals and nationals. For pure streaming without live TV bundles, combine Peacock, Prime Video, and ESPN Unlimited. Together, they cover most national games for around $50 a month, which is way cheaper than cable. International fans, or anyone wanting more options, should consider a VPN. Services like 7plus in Australia, TSN in Canada, or other broadcasters sometimes offer free or accessible NBA streams. Connect a reliable VPN, ExpressVPN, NordVPN, many with trials or money-back guarantees, to a server in that country. Sign up for their free account if needed, and unlock games legally from abroad. Some regions stream more games for free on YouTube or local platforms. VPNs also help bypass geo-blocks if you're travelling. Just pick one with fast servers optimised for streaming to avoid buffering during crucial fourth quarters. Test it during a free trial first. For local team games on RSNs, check if your regional network is available as a standalone add-on or through services like Fubo. Some teams offer their own streaming apps or partnerships. NBA League Pass handles out-of-market, but blackouts apply. A VPN to a non-local US server can sometimes help with that. Use responsibly and check terms. Devices and setup tips. Everything works great on smart TVs, Roku, Fire TV Stick, Apple TV, Chromecast, phones and tablets. Cast from your phone to the big screen easily. Use strong Wi-Fi or wired connections for HD or 4K where available. Close background apps to reduce lag. Most services offer multi-stream support, so the whole family can watch different games. Picture quality on legal streams is excellent, crisp and reliable compared to sketchy alternatives. Speaking of which, I have to mention illegal streams. Sites promising free NBA everywhere pop up, especially during playoffs, but they're full of risks. Malware, viruses, constant buffering, shutdowns mid-game, and they're not legal. Stick to official apps and services for peace of mind and better quality. Reddit communities like r/cordcutters or Team Subs share legit tips on antennas, trials and deals without venturing into piracy. Pro tips for saving money all season. Get your antenna early and test it. Line up streaming trials around key stretches like Christmas Day games, All-Star or playoffs. Use the NBA app's Tap to Watch feature. It directs you straight to wherever your game is streaming. Follow the official NBA schedule and newsletters to plan. For playoffs, national broadcasts increase, making antenna plus 1 or 2 services even more powerful. Superstar matchups often land on ABC or big platforms. If you're a mobile-only fan, the NBA app and League Pass shine. Many games stream smoothly on cellular with good data plans. Just monitor usage. For groups or watch parties, services with higher simultaneous streams are ideal. As the season evolves, new features like multi-view and enhanced stats in apps make watching even better. Pre-season and early games are great for testing your full setup. Keep an eye on promotions. Streaming services love NBA season deals. International viewers. DAZN, local sports channels, or League Pass International often have more flexible options. Watching NBA live without cable is totally doable and can save you hundreds compared to traditional TV. Mix an antenna for free broadcast games, targeted streaming services, or trials for nationals and locals, League Pass for out-of-market, and a VPN for extra flexibility. Thousands of fans do this successfully every season. The key is planning ahead, testing your setup, and staying flexible with the rotating schedule. If this guide helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more sports streaming tips, and comment below. What's your team this season? Which method are you trying first? Drop your questions too. I might cover specific team streams or playoff strategies next. Thanks for watching, enjoy the games responsibly, and I'll catch you in the next video. Let's go Hoops! Expanding more on setup. For antenna users, modern flat antennas pull in great signals and even 4K in some areas, combined with a Tableau or similar DVR device, some free tiers, to record games. For League Pass, the app supports multi-view on bigger screens. Watch up to 4 games at once during busy nights. VPN Deep Dive. Choose providers with no logs policies and fast WireGuard protocol for minimal lag. Free VPNs often throttle or have data caps, not ideal for live sports. Paid ones with guarantees are worth it. Trial strategy. Set phone reminders to cancel. Some services allow pausing. Use gift cards or promo codes for extra savings. Local RSNs. Availability varies by market and service. Fubo often leads here. Check your zip on their sites. Playoffs and finals. More games shift to national broadcast, boosting antenna value. Finals on ABC are perfect free viewing. Prime Video and Peacock handle exclusives. This comprehensive approach covers regular season, in-season tournament, all-star, play-in and deep playoff runs. With these apps and sites, you'll stay connected to the NBA without cable bills weighing you down. Football might have Sundays, but basketball season is non-stop excitement. Make the most of it. Keep experimenting and refining your setup as the season goes. Official sites always have the latest. Stay legal, support the league, and enjoy every dunk, free, and buzzer beater. Appreciate you hanging through this detailed guide. Smash subscribe and notifications for updates. Ball out, everyone.